Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about top 10 air conducting repair service in Simi Valley, California. DT Heating and Cooling, Highland Air. Highland Air specialize in all your home heating and air conducting needs and guarantee you a job well done, whether it would be fragrance that needs active air specialist. Paul B says Tommy and Chris were meticulous during the install of my complete HVAC systems. They arrived on time each the day, ready to work. It was apartment HVAC appliance repair now, central AC systems repair and installation, appliance repair and installation, residential and commercial. Kairos Air. M. Mary G says excellent air conducting installation provider, got a good price at and a quality equipment. My AC guy INC. Honest, reliable, affordable 24-hour emergency service. We specialize in residential, commercial and industrial HVAC and refrigeration, plumbing and electrical. O'Neill Heating and Air Conducting. We stand by our work and give 1-year warranty with all our work. HVAC Consulting Solution. With over 30 years of experience, HVAC Consulting Solution is the team that people is Greater Los Angeles County can count on for their heating and cooling needs. LA Air Conductor. Allen and Sons Appliance Repair. Allen and Sons Repair, founded in 1971 and serving various locations across California, specialized in the repair of all major appliances as an authorized service.